Alright, today, boys and girls, we're going to continue with our second strategy that we're going to learn when we're doing our addition word problems. So if we look at our word problem today, it says, Jessica has 27 star stickers. Her sister gives her 26 smiley face stickers. How many stickers does Jessica have altogether? And before we jump into our strategy, let's look again at how we set up our equation, okay? Remember, our equation is the same thing as our number sentence, so I know something plus something equals something. And when I have that first number that I know I'm starting with, it's called my start. And then when I add something to that start, it's called the change, because it's going to change my number. And when I add those two numbers together, I get the result. Well, today we are going to be looking at a strategy called decomposing. And you may say, Miss Wilma, what do you mean when you say decomposing numbers? Well, when Miss Wilma says decomposing numbers, what she means is that we are going to break numbers down. So instead of just having that number 27, we're going to break 27 down. So let's read through our word problem one more time. So it says, Jessica has 27 star stickers. Her sister gives her 26 smiley face stickers. How many stickers does Jessica have all together? If I look back in that first sentence, it says, Jessica has 27 star stickers. So I know to start with that Jessica has 27 stickers. So that is my start. So I'm going to write 27 in my start. Well, then it says, her sister gives her 26 smiley face stickers. Well, I know my change is that I've been given 26 stickers. So I know that I'm going to add 26 to my 27. Well, I don't know what my result is yet because I have those two pieces, and this is how many stickers does Jessica have all together. So I need to figure out that result. So remember, when you're setting up your problem, don't forget to put a symbol. I'm going to put a question mark that represents that you don't know that spot. So I don't know what the result is because of that question mark. So when I look at decomposing numbers, I'm going to look and see that I have the number 27. Well, I know that if I look at 27, I can break it into tens and ones. And I know I have two tens, so 2 tens is equal to 20, and then I have 7 ones. So I know 20 plus 7 is my breakdown of 27. This is just like the expanded form we learned back when we first started learning about place value. So think of decomposing numbers as breaking it into that expanded form. So then if I look at that number 26, I know that 26, I have 2 tens, so the value of 2 tens is also 20. And then when I look at my ones place, I have 6 ones. So I know that 20 plus 6 equals 26. Well, if I think about and look only at each of these places, as these are my tens and these are my ones places, I'm going to add those places up together. So I'm looking to know that 20 plus 20 is 40. And I want to add 7 plus 6. Well, I know 7 plus 6 is 13. So I want to figure out 40 plus 13 is equal to 53. So I know that when I've looked at 27 and 26 to add them together, I just broke them down. I knew that 27 was 20 plus 7 and 26 was 20 plus 6. Then I added the tens place, and I added the ones together to get 40 plus 13, and when I added those two together, I got 53. So if I were to go back and answer this question, how many stickers does Jessica have altogether, I would go back and write a sentence, and I would say, Jessica has 53 stickers all together. So that is our decomposing strategy of breaking those numbers apart. That's what you're going to be using today and practicing with it. Remember, this strategy, you're going to practice it. You're looking for that strategy that you know and you feel comfortable with. You're practicing this. Maybe it becomes the one you like that you use all the time. So use it well, practice it today, and do great work.